Hello, in front of me I've got iPad 10th Gen. In this video I'll show you how to add payment cards to Apple ID. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Apple ID. Go to Payment and Shipping. And now select Add Payment Method. You can add Apple Pay, credit debit card, Blick or mobile phone. Simply enter any of this section, press Done and it's set. As you can see, Blick has been added to Apple ID. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.